Hi everyone. Anu, introduce yourself and tell me about the puppies. And I believe a puppy is going to be adopted now.
Yeah.
Is that true?
Yeah.
All right. So that's good to know.
First adoption from this litter.
Yeah.
I'm Anu. I'm from Maratali Canine Squad, and we rescued 5 puppies from Ramesh Nagar.
Yeah.
And we got them to Tubman Park for adoption, and now we have our first adoption happening.
Wonderful. So tell me a little bit about yourself. You already have a lovely indie dog, I can see.
Yeah, and I have one Indie breed.
Yeah.
His name is Ramu.
Ramu?
Yeah, it's very active dog.
Yeah.
Every week I'm coming here.
Lovely.
Yeah.
So you like indies and and how old is Ramu? How old is Ramu?
It's in 6 months.
So you're ready for your second dog?
Yes.
So who's going to look after the dog?
My wife only.
Where's the wife? Come, come, come. So now you better stand and the family. Now who's going to be looking after? Come, come. Let's all have a big come this side. Along with your beautiful dog. Come. Are you part of the family? No. So we have this. We have Ramu, who is very, very well dressed, as you can see. And Ramu, can you please meet your new sister and figure out what to do? So why is it that you wanted to adopt today?
Yeah, we like it. That's it.
So when you saw the dogs, you said, I'm going to pick up one and take one. And you've picked a girl. So you know what you have to do in 6 months?
You,
You have to neuter the dog the moment, because otherwise they get into season, you'll have pups. So you have to be very careful. So the thing that we always ask is all dogs have to be quickly vaccinated, but also also neutered, right? Otherwise we'll keep having this, and poor people like Anu will be running around trying to get good homes like yours. So there's a form to be filled up. Which area do you stay in?
we are staying in
Shantinagar, close by. So there is a Shantinagar squad. You're welcome to join that squad, and you can post updates about your dog. You can help neuter the other dogs in your area and so on. So I hope Ramu and the little one and your family is going to be very happy and enjoy having this beautiful dog. Maybe we'll see him more often in the park.
Yeah, sure.
And then you should tell us a story of when he's 3 months, when he's 6 months, when he's 1 year. She. So you see, this one, our conscientious objector, has to give her opinion on everything. Everything. So congratulations.
In the video.
Yeah, all captured. So Ramu, and your name is? Krishna and?
Veena.
Krishna, Veena and? So Krishna, Veena, Vishal, Ramu and the yet unnamed dog. Anybody has suggestions for them?
Lakshman.
Lakshman, okay, that's a nice name. What are the other suggestions? Female.
ಗಂಡ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ಮತ್ತೆ
No, she's a female. So we can find, but think up some nice names. Before they go, we must have some nice names for them. Okay, guys. So can we give a big cheer for our wonderful parents who adopt an indie right here from the park? So all of us, 1 out of 5. Yeah? And she is looking like, okay, whatever, where's my food? When can I sleep? Yeah, we'll give you all the details. And so congratulations and all the best. Congratulations. One lovely puppy goes home. All the best. And are we all, can we have our hands up for Indie Proud?
Yeah.
Indie Proud. Come on, all of you have your hands up for that. Indie Proud. Lovely. All the best. All the very best. And Ramu, congratulations on your unwanted new sister. You're saying what nonsense?